There are a variety of ways in which the safety pole system can be utilized as either a single anchoring point or an overhead horizontal lifeline during residential or commercial framing. Safety pole protects workers from exterior and interior falls when using an interior catch cable. Traditionally, the system height is 18 feet, but it can go as high as 27 feet on a single story or even higher when stacking sections from the concrete foundation or on wood subfloors. This product is ideal for framing higher level walls, rolling trusses, sheathing, or fascia installations. At Safety Pole, we engineer the system into your project because we believe safety management must be fully integrated into project operations and the delivery process. By making operational staff responsible for workers' safety alongside other operational risks, we shift from a reactive stance to proactively supporting the project delivery process and construction operations. Our goal is to create safer work environments, improve safety outcomes, and maintain long-lasting relationships with our clients. Safety Pole has been instrumental in helping establish strong fall protection plans. The Safety Pole team views safety holistically and takes the time to review each project's floor plans and elevations to customize system configurations that don't hinder framers' traditional production processes. At Safety Pole, we plot pole locations, provide custom installation instructions, and offer training that is included in every Safety Pole quote. With clear communication and continuous site visits, we ensure the system operates optimally, keeping framers out of harm's way. And for those who take pride in their safety program, Safety Pole offers custom powder coating to match any color and add your company's name and decal to the poles at no extra cost. The system can be utilized when sheathing floor or roof trusses and installing fascia, serving as a horizontal lifeline system. Prior to loading trusses, it is crucial to look at the floor and roof truss layouts to ensure the system is not interfering with any trusses, and look at the wall heights to determine the proper fall clearances. So, what does one system consist of? One system comes with 2 bases, 4 10-foot sections, 2 5-foot sections, 2 T-sections, 6 2x6 shoes, 6 pullers, and 6 tieback cables. Additional components can be added on to the system like the raised floor plate and 8x8 concrete shoes. A Safety Pole system package can be customized by modifying the system bundle and modifying the section links to suit specific project needs. Base and raised floor plate. The first component of the Safety Pole system that needs to be installed is the base, which is the foundation of the system. This base can be placed on a concrete podium, concrete foundation, or wood deck. If required, Safety Pole can provide templates for pouring precast anchor embedments, ensuring secure base placement on the podium deck. The base is traditionally set using 1/2" by 4" Tapcon anchor bolts, which are drilled into the foundation using a hammer drill with a 1/2" bit to drill 3.5 inches deep through the base screw ports. Once drilled, the bolts are secured using a 3/4 inch bit impact drill. If working on pitched roofs, or in the event the safety poles need to be taller, we can increase the length of the base to make the poles taller, which is ideal for pitched roofs. If installing the system on a wood deck, a raised floor plate is necessary. The raised floor plate measures 26 by 26 inches and is secured to the wood deck using 3.5 inch SDS screws. The SDS screws are placed through the raised floor plate screw ports that align with the floor truss or I-joist span, which are either 16, 19.2, or 24 inches on center. The 6 SDS screws on each side, 12 total, are set through the raised floor plate screw holes that align with the I-joist or floor truss span. This ensures a secure installation and compatibility with various floor truss configurations and spans. The base is then fastened on top of the raised floor plate using 1/2 inch wing nuts, which offer quick and secure assembly, ensuring the system's stability and safety. 10-foot section. The next component is the 10-foot section, the main vertical component that mounts on top of the base. Each 10-foot section is designed for durability and flexibility, allowing tieback cables to attach to either the 8-foot D-ring to keep the tieback cables below the plate line, or to the lower D-rings of the 5-foot section to run over the plate line. Each 10-foot section includes a QR code, which can be scanned to access installation guides and instructional videos in both English and Spanish, ensuring that all users can easily understand and follow the installation process. For projects requiring additional height, you can configure the system with two 10-foot sections stacked together with a T-section on top of the base. This allows the pole to reach over 20 feet, ideal for scenarios where walls are significantly tall, requiring more extensive fall clearance. Section X. Section X is a customizable safety pole system section that fits between the 10-foot section and the 5-foot section. This component is utilized when roof truss heights are taller and a traditional base, 10-foot section, 5-foot section, and T-section configuration is not tall enough for sheathing roof trusses. Section X is utilized to increase pole heights, providing more flexible fall clearances and accommodating unique project requirements. This flexibility ensures that the safety pole system can be adapted to various construction environments. 5-foot section. The 5-foot section provides flexibility in adjusting the overall system height. This section is typically stacked atop the 10-foot section and Section X when necessary, and positioned beneath the T-section. The modular design allows for quick adjustments in the field to meet specific height requirements. In cases where accessibility to equipment is limited, multiple 5-foot sections can be used instead of a 10-foot section. For instance, you can stack 3 5-foot sections to reach a traditional system height of 18 feet. The tieback cables can attach to the lower sleeve of the 5-foot section for configurations running above the plate line, but it is generally preferred to keep them below for no floor truss interference. When elevated anchor points are required, framers can tie off to the upper D-ring of the 5-foot section, providing a secure anchor when working at height. T-section. The T-section is essential for both single anchoring points and horizontal lifeline systems. It features 3 D-rings on each side, providing attachment points for up to 3 workers, or for connecting horizontal lifelines. For single anchoring point configurations, each worker will attach their SRL or yo-yo to the outer D-rings. If the system is being used as a horizontal lifeline, the horizontal lifelines also attach to these D-rings. The T-section can be reoriented for spans or corridors running at a 45-degree angle, ensuring flexibility and safety. The horizontal lifeline can span a maximum of 60 feet, supporting up to 2 workers per line, or 4 workers in total per span. However, for added flexibility, we can provide an additional 12 feet of cable, extending the horizontal lifeline to 72 feet. This extra length allows the lifeline to be tightened on the ground, greatly reducing fall hazards. To adjust the horizontal lifeline, the excess slack is pulled through the cable grab. As the cable is pulled, the hollow bolt on the horizontal lifeline must be loosened 1 3/4 inches to ensure it does not release additional cable when tied off to the horizontal lifeline. Once sufficient cable length is reached to connect between poles, the hollow bolt needs to be extended to a length of 1 3/4 inches, securing the horizontal lifeline in place. If more cable is required, tighten down the hollow bolt to release tension. A turnbuckle with a shackle connects the cable grab to the outer D-ring of the T-section.
When these are extended, right, when they're tightened, you could still pull the cable on the back side.
Oh yeah, like from the
Yeah, from the ground, but you can't pull it out on this end, right?
The turnbuckle provides precise tension, ensuring the horizontal lifeline remains tight and secure. Any extra cable from the horizontal lifeline runs over the T-section and through the backside D-rings, allowing for further adjustments on the ground and maintaining safety. On the opposing side of the horizontal lifeline is the absorbinator, an inline shock-absorbing component. In the event of a fall, the absorbinator redirects forces away from the lifeline and the user, safeguarding the integrity of the system. It's crucial that when the SRL or self-retracting lifeline is fully retracted, it remains above the user's harness. This ensures optimal performance during a fall arrest scenario. The wire rope on the horizontal lifeline must be tightened until the sag at the system midpoint is 6 inches or less with no weight on the wire rope. Proper tension is vital for maintaining a safe and effective fall protection system. With these detailed adjustments and robust components, the safety pole horizontal lifeline system provides comprehensive protection for construction workers, ensuring they can perform their tasks safely and efficiently at elevated heights. Safety always comes first with the safety pole system, meticulously designed to meet the specific needs of your construction projects. 2x6 shoes and puller. 2x6 shoes are integral to the system, securing it to the structure by connecting to a 2x6 exterior bottom plate or a 2x4 interior sill plate. For multiple pole spans, the first and last poles connect to 3 shoes, while intermediate poles only require 2 on the opposing sides of the horizontal lifelines. Each 8-ton puller, or come-along, exerts up to 4,000 pounds of force and connects the D-rings on the 2x6 shoe to the thimble eye of the tieback cable. To extend the puller's wire rope, swing the handle away from the anchor hook, disengaging the drive pawl by flipping the red button. The wire rope can then be extended to reach the tieback's thimble eye before tightening for secure installation.
When we're setting our 2x6 shoes, we like to hook them onto a 2x6 exterior bottom plate. You can use these 2x4 shoes to hook onto a 2x4 interior sill plate. We want to make sure that our tieback cables are running at a 45-degree angle or less. So all you got to do is, if you're meeting that 45-degree angle or less, you just take the shoe, hook it onto a 2x6 exterior bottom plate, and it just clips in. And then you would run the puller up to the tieback cable.
Tieback cables. Each safety pole system includes 6 10-foot tieback cables. These cables connect the system's shoes, pullers, and the pole itself, providing stability. For larger spans, custom-length tieback cables are available, ensuring the system meets specific project dimensions. Customization options allow tieback cables to be extended by connecting additional cables. This flexibility ensures that the system can be adapted to various project sizes and configurations, maintaining robust support for the safety pole system. 8x8 concrete shoes. When using panelized walls or for projects with single-story residential builds featuring taller trusses resulting in taller pole heights, the 8x8 concrete shoe provides an alternative to the 2x6 shoe. This component ensures strong support when standard wall plates are not available, securing the safety pole system firmly to the concrete foundation. Thank you for watching. To stay updated with the latest in construction safety, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications for our newest videos. Check out these related videos to learn more about our other safety solutions and innovative construction techniques. Click on any of the videos on your screen now to continue watching.